Hey friends, welcome back to another video of Microsoft Excel series in my channel. So today we are going to learn how to count cells that are equal to any particular value. So let's start the video. This is your host Pritham and you are watching Technical Portal YouTube channel. So friends, I have started a video series based on Microsoft Excel. You can check the playlist in my channel and also check the description box. There I will give you the link of the Excel data file which I am using in my video. So let's begin with running the Microsoft Excel software, and also I am going to run the on-screen keyboard here so that you can notice which of the keys I am pressing in my keyboard. So friends, I have already created a data file here previously. So today we are going to learn how to count cells that are equals to some particular value. To count the number of cells that equals to a specific value, you can use the COUNTIF function here. In this example, suppose you have a data file here like this and you have to count the red pen here. So you can simply type the formula like this. Type equals to, then write COUNTIF, 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 then open the first bracket, then give the range. In my case the range will be from D5 to D10. You can write it here, D5 colon D10, or you can simply select the range here. It's up to you which of the way you will follow. Then you have to give the criteria, put a comma here, then start the double quotation, then give the value. In my case I am going to count the red value only, so I am giving the red here, red, then close the double quotation and then close the bracket, then simply hit the enter button. So here friends, the red is number 4 in this example. So let's count 1, 2, 3 and 4. So yeah, it actually works. So let's see how the formula actually worked. The COUNTIF function is fully automatic. It counts the number of cells in a range that match the supplied criteria. In my case I have given here criteria that is red. For range we have used the D5 to D10 which contains colors. For criteria we simply use red. Here look carefully friends, when text values are supplied directly as criteria as I have given here, they need to be enclosed double quotation. If you have a criteria in another cell, you can supply the cell address as criteria without quotes. So that's all for today. See you soon guys. Hopefully you will get a new video in every single day. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, please give a thumbs up, comment your opinion and share this video with your friends. Keep learning, keep supporting us and stay tuned.